bidder.
The most exciting part of the Copart experience is joining one of our thousands of live online auctions. But not just anyone can join an auction. You'll need to be a member first. Guest members can watch our auctions, but to bid, you must be a basic or premier member. The auction dashboard located under the Auctions tab on Copart.com shows you the auctions happening now in real time. Simply find the sale you want and click the Join button to get started. The auction dashboard gives you a variety of features to customize your buying experience. View your auctions in small, large, or full view. Add auctions. Turn music on and off, and review your auction activity. Add vehicles to your watch list to easily identify your favorites as they approach the sale. You can bid on vehicles that are on the block or vehicles that are 2 or more spots away. Bid the next increment or place a monster bid. Don't worry, if you're outbid, you can increase your bid amount and try again. And if you don't win a particular auction, you'll most likely be able to find something similar in our selection of more than 175,000 vehicles available for sale daily. Good luck!
Sold!